probably recognize what I have right next to me. It is an air fryer. Like most of you out there, I got one of these for Christmas and daggum, I had no idea how to use it. So let's figure out how to make the most of our wonderful Christmas gift, and let's get cooking. An air fryer doesn't actually fry your food. It cooks your food and the results are similar to something that you might have fried. So air circulates throughout the holes in this perforated basket and it creates a crispy coating on the outside of your food. The first tip of using your air fryer is to cook in batches. You don't want to put in everything that you want to cook in at the same time, or the air fryer just doesn't work quite as well. The air doesn't circulate well, the foods won't get quite as crispy. Cook in batches and you will love the results. Take out your basket, do a little spritz, spray the bottom so your foods don't stick. I have here some frozen onion rings. Frozen foods like French fries, onion rings, chicken fingers, these work remarkably well in your air fryer. But if you take a look, you'll see that I'm not overcrowding it. There's plenty of space between each of my items and air will definitely be able to circulate. Spray your tops with a little bit more spray. A fun thing about your air fryer is you don't have to let it preheat like your oven does. How cool is that? I heard the magic bell, so let's check them and flip them. Shake and flip your foods about halfway through cooking so that they can get evenly browned. If your foods are very delicately coated, be very gentle when repositioning. Back in for another 5. These seriously look like they just came out of a fryer, but they're probably half the calories. Well, I've used it, so that means I need to wash it. If I don't wash it, it could start to smoke, and these little bits and pieces at the bottom could burn and cause some major problems. When washing, just use mild soap and water, and use one of these guys, not one of these guys. Those will scratch up the nonstick coating of your air fryer and it won't work as well. If this big contraption is still pretty intimidating to you, never fear. There are presets included in your little air fryer computer. There's a preset for French fries, pork, shrimp, cake, chicken, beef, and fish. The times and the temperatures are already set. What could be easier than that? You literally just put it in and it cooks it for you. Now that you've mastered the tips and tricks to use this kitchen gadget, let us know in the comments what you're gonna make. Go to allrecipes.com to find some delicious recipes using your air fryer, and thanks for watching. See you next time.